May bago sa McDo, the Choco Lava Puff and the Taro Custard Pie. Try natin. First, ang cute ng shape. Okay. Sobrang flaky niya. Kasi nga puff. Ooh. Ooh. Yun. Ooh. It's very buttery yung pastry niya. And I like it. This one, parang akala ko dark chocolate siya, but it's not. Messy siya kainin talaga. Very generous sa chocolate filling. So, good for me. If you are a chocolate person, like me, this is a 9 out of 10. Next, the Taro Custard Pie. Mas curious ako dito. Kasayos lang niya si apple pie. Looks cute. First bite. Wow. Very subtle lang yung pagkataro niya actually. I think it's because may creamy custard na kasama. One more. Yung texture din ng ube, ayan. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I think honestly, mas gusto ko yung custard pie. And if you are a chocolate person, go with the Choco Lava Puff. And gusto mo na mas creamy and medyo something unique and not too sweet, I think perfect ang Taro Custard Pie. Worth it, orderin ulit.